Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how can we extract text and numeric from our column. We can extract the text and numeric by using the flash cell option. So let me show you how. From here, if I want to extract numbers, so first I will type the numerical figures from this column like 252358. Next is 4558. Press enter. And now select all those cells and then press Ctrl E. And now you can see it has extracted the numerical figures only from this column. Because we gave the two examples, we want to extract this, and then we just use the flash cell function to fill the rest of the cells. Type the text from this column, which is ADVFGTY, enter. ZSEDRFGHTV, press enter. Now select all those cells and then press Ctrl E. Now you can see it has extracted the text only from this column. Because we gave the two examples, we gave the example in the first two cells, we only want to extract the text from this column, so it picked it up, and by using the flash cell we can extract the text.